My uncle, who was there, Shmuel Steinberg, fought in the war, and it was very risky for Jews to be in the Russian army, and a lot of Jews left, immigrated when they were of age to go in the army in order to avoid it. But he had to go in the army, and the story that's always been told about him is that because he had a great sense of humor, the Steinbergs have been known for their sense of humor, he was able to get along well with the other Russians in the army, and he survived, although he was badly injured. He came with his daughter in the 1980s, and we did get a chance to meet him and see him. Unfortunately, he was already old and kind of demented by then, but it was when was my brother's son's bar mitzvah, and we brought him to the bar mitzvah on Long Island. And when we saw him, we both just almost fainted because he looked exactly like my father.